Beloved community, today we gather to confront a pressing and crucial topic: the battle for humanity and the urgent need to recognize and resist the forces of evil that threaten our world. We live in a time marked by conflict, despair, and chaos, where war, death, and destruction loom large. Yet amidst these challenges, we are called to stand firm in our faith, empowered by the teachings of Elle, to resist these dark forces and to be beacons of hope and resilience. First, let us acknowledge the reality of evil in our world. It manifests in many forms: war that tears nations apart, violence that shatters communities, and oppression that stifles the voices of the vulnerable. These forces seek to undermine our humanity, sow discord, and spread fear. It is essential to recognize that these challenges are not merely political or social issues. They are spiritual battles that require our awareness and action. Elle's teachings encourage us to open our eyes to the spiritual warfare that surrounds us. We must understand that the forces of evil are actively seeking to divide us, to create chaos in them, pull us away from our divine purpose. This recognition is not meant to instill fear, but further empower us to resist the evils ahead. As we navigate these tumultuous times, we must anchor ourselves in faith. Paul teaches us that our faith is our strongest weapon against the forces of evil. It is through our unwavering belief in love, compassion, and justice that we can stand firm against the darkness that seeks to engulf our world. Let us not succumb to despair. Instead, let us remember the power of collective faith. When we come together in unity, we amplify our strength, becoming a formidable force for good. We must encourage one another, remind each other of our shared purpose, and galvanize our spirits to act in the face of adversity. Recognizing the forces of evil also calls to action that we cannot sit idly by while injustice prevails. Elle empowers us to be agents of change, advocating for peace and justice in our communities and beyond. We must lend our voices to the voiceless, stand up against oppression, and work tirelessly for the betterment of humanity. What can this look like in our daily lives? It may be volunteering our time, helping those in need, advocating for policies that promote peace within religious backgrounds, or simply being a source of support and love for those who are struggling. Every act of kindness encourages the world around us to do the same. In the face of overwhelming challenges, we must also nurture hope and resilience within ourselves and our communities. I'll remind us that while evil may be present, it does not have the final say. Hope is a powerful force that could pierce through the darkness and ignite change. When we feel weighed down by the weight of the world, let us turn to our faith and the teachings of El for encouragement. Together, we can remind ourselves that we are not alone in this battle. God walks with us, guiding us, offering us strength when we are weary, and encourages us not to be afraid. So, in conclusion, beloved community, the battle for humanity is real, and the forces of evil are at work in our world. Yet we have the power to recognize these forces, to stand firm in our faith, and to act as agents of love, of peace, and of faith. Let us embrace the teachings of El as we navigate the world around us, knowing that we are called to be beacons of hope in a world that desperately needs it. Together, we can resist the darkness and shine the light of divine love in every corner of our lives. May we leave here today with renewed determination to fight for humanity, to recognize the forces of evil, and to stand firm in our faith. Let us be the change makers in our world, guided by the wisdom of El. Amen.